So in this wiring, one of the things we are so sure about that there is no joint anywhere. No. If there's a joint, then it's looping. Maybe loop one neutral from point A to point B, like here. So the blue is the neutral. So it loop from here to here. But this design, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are one circuit. So the neutral has been looped for 6 of them. Then when you come here to, they say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The same thing. You know. That's how it is. Ensuring that there's safety at every point. What's it? No, I will never use black strips for this. Never. Never. I will never use black strips for this. It's dangerous, Papa.
Fine.
Because you have to be paying me, so I'll be teaching you.
No, maybe what I'm saying, I will not buy it, so I need to understand.
Okay, so tell me why you will not buy it, then I will explain.
No, I first I think it's good.
Okay, what makes it good?
It makes the work
fast.
Yes.
When you are screening with black screw, very fast. Let me tell you something. The danger of it is that. Oh, do you have a black screw here?
Yeah, I have some.
Bring it. Let me show you something. Give it to me. This is a black shoe, right? This is a black shoe.
Sure.
A beautiful assorted black or screw. Okay. Bring the normal screw. Let me show you. Maybe or Michael or here first. Just pick one from Michael. Tell me what you see.
Like how?
You don't see anything. Okay. Hold this one. You notice a way, a sharp. Even the we know my one round now my one it's very sharp.
Sure.
Okay. Now far away.
Very small.
Smooth. Okay. The danger is that when you use this one, one of the things you be experiencing is that fridges will be shocking people. You bet to two socket.
Why?
Because we a track cable. It's sharp.
Is it when it get intact to the cable?
Yeah, no, this one even works in such a way that even if it doesn't goes through the we program say a picture. So you see that who touch you and shock you, who be just a maybe say no a screw I will use. So there's no way I will ever use this for. Where the purpose is different. This one has a different purpose for me. It has a different purpose for me. When I want to do certain things, that's what I use. But switches, sockets, and not that they matter.
You don't go.
I don't go with that. Do you understand the point?
I do.